Hello and welcome to my channel. Now to why I think getting the Apple iPad Magic Keyboard is a bad idea. The iPad Magic Keyboard accessory has been widely praised for its responsive multi-touch trackpad, backlit keyboard, and clever counterbalancing magnetic stand. Apple announced the accessory alongside the 2020 iPad Pro update and the iPad OS 13.4 software, which added rich support for cursor input on the iPad. However, a few users are beginning to complain of frustrations about battery life issues. Some keyboard owners are noticing that the iPad battery drops quickly when using the keyboard with backlit enabled, and some reports battery drain even when the iPad is idle and not in use. And remember, the iPad keyboard does not have its own separate battery. It uses the smart connector to get power from the battery of the connected iPad Pro. Based on these reports, it is hard to know the cause of these issues. Some have said that they have seen their keyboard backlight being on even when the iPad is idle and asleep. It's not clear if this is a software issue or hardware or a combination of the two. Some have found success by getting their Magic Keyboard replaced under warranty, but changing out the Magic Keyboard and keeping the same iPad Pro resulted in battery life which is more in line with what you would expect. So if you are seeing bad battery life when using your iPad with the new Magic Keyboard, getting Apple to swap the Magic Keyboard may be the answer. As most stores are closed now, you can request hardware replacements through the usual Apple online support channels. Let's go to some exclusives from Apple. We've been hearing about the Apple upcoming over-the-ear headphones for some time, with evidence from multiple sources pointing to launch this year. One of the key features of the original Airpods is ear detection, which automatically pauses the sound when you take the headphones off. We've learned that the over-the-ear headphones, which is to be called Airpods Studio, will have similar features, but it will work in a different way. Instead of ear detection, Apple is working to include sensors that detect whether the headphone is being placed on your head or on your neck. Based on this, I would like to assume the Airpods Studio will play or pause content when they detect they are being placed on the neck. Another sensor is rumored to detect the left and right ear automatically. This is to automatically route the audio channels. They are likely to have the active noise cancellation and transparency mode. As the headphones are expected to focus on professional users, pairing them with macOS or iOS will unlock custom equalizer settings with low, medium, and high frequency adjustments available. Whatever that means, I believe the sound professionals already understand. As for the price, rumors suggest it will cost $349. Are you considering buying the Airpods Studios? Or what features do you expect from the Apple new headphones? Please subscribe and leave a comment down below.